Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The reaction is SN2 with NaOH, hydroxide as nucleophile. SN2 reactions occur with inversion of configuration at the carbon bearing the leaving group. The leaving group is Cl at the left stereocenter. Moving on to the next step. Only the CCl bond is susceptible to SN2 attack. The CO8 bond is not a leaving group under these mild basic conditions. Ethoxide is not a good leaving group with NaOH. Therefore, only the carbon-bearing Cl undergoes substitution. Moving on to the next step. Determine stereochemical outcome at the reacting center. In the starting material, Cl is on a bold wedge at the left stereocenter, coming toward the viewer. SN2 proceeds with inversion, so the incoming OH will end up on a dash, going away from the viewer at that carbon. This means the configuration at the left carbon is inverted. And for the final step, determine stereochemical outcome at the non-reacting center. The right stereocenter, bearing OH, is not involved in the reaction. Its configuration is retained. In the starting material, OH is on a bold wedge at the right carbon, so it remains on a bold wedge in the product. The product has OH on a dash at the left carbon, inverted from Cl on wedge, and OH on a bold wedge at the right carbon, retained. This matches option B. Left stereocenter has OH on dash, right stereocenter has OH on bold wedge. Option A. Both groups on dashes, meaning the OH center also changed configuration. Incorrect. OH is not displaced. Option C. Cl is retained, no reaction occurred, and OH appears at right carbon. Incorrect. Cl is the leaving group, not OH. Option D. Both groups are OH on dashes, implying OH was also displaced. NaOH cannot displace OH under these conditions. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.